This is the first time they introduce a keyless entry in a G63. This is how you unlock the car and this is how you lock the car. This is the key of AMG G63 2025. Recently Mercedes-Benz released this new facelift of a G63. At the front we can see a significant change in the bumper. Here we can see huge air intake. The camera shifted from here to here. On the hood we can see a different logo. They changed it from Mercedes-Benz to a Falterbach. I don't know I'm pronouncing it correctly, maybe a German can correct me in the comments. As you can see, it's a night package with the blacked out logo, black grille, black headlamp and a black indicator. On the windshield we can see a new setup of cameras and a spoiler for better aerodynamics. This is the first time they introduce a keyless entry in a G63. This is how you unlock the car and this is how you lock the car. The rear design is same, only the camera position is changed from here to here. At the back, everything is quite same, only the new leather-packed climate control with open C-types and a new Burmester speaker on the roof. At the front, the major change they did is the steering wheel. It's now a new multi-spoke steering wheel with new controllers over here. Here we have new alignment for the headlamp buttons. In previous model, they have a controller here to control the screen, but now they introduced this touchpad controller. Also, this screen is a touch screen, so you can also choose your functions here by just touching it or by using this touchpad. This is our new narrowed center console. Before it was like this big, but now they narrowed it down, and here we have a new alignment for defog button. They also added some new colors in the ambient lighting of this car. Another change, they introduced new cup holders with cooling and heating function. They also added a new wireless charger. Before it was there were only ports to use the charger, but now they introduced this wireless charger. The engine is same 4-liter V8 bi-turbo producing 585 horsepower. We all know that it's a handcrafted engine. Let's hear the roar of this engine. Don't you think this is the best feeling a man can have?